Hey there! Would you be interested to learn how to make $1,000 per day within the next 90 days? If the answer is yes, then this is going to be a powerful video for you, because if you think about it, that's $30,000 a month. That's real, life-changing amounts of money. I've been fortunate enough to crack the code and make hundreds of thousands of dollars in this industry, so I'm not here to sell you a product. I remember when I started working for myself, I started to struggle. I couldn't find a real system that would pay me what I truly desired, deserved, and dreamed of. I remember I started working out of my parents' house using a cheap laptop that I bought a couple of years back then, and this laptop was barely working. And I remember about a year before graduating from university, I dropped out of it, and all of my friends and family were laughing at me because they thought that I'm dreaming. And but truly, I always believed that I had a purpose. I wanted to be free. I wanted to be my own boss. I didn't want to answer to anyone, and I didn't have any experience when I started in this, so I was the least likely person to make it online. So if I could do it, so can you. 6 years ago, when I started in this industry, there was no plugin platform or system for average people to start a home business with ease without all of this technical mumbo jumbo. So I had to take the long and hard way to figure things out and build everything by myself. Fast forward to today, I finally found something that works for me and for people all over the world, and I want to introduce you to this platform, to this brand new business system, to share with you how you can make $1,000, $2,000, or even $5,000 a day without no online marketing experience whatsoever. If you plug into this system and follow the steps, you too can become successful online. So here's what I want to do. I want to show you a video of average people, plumbers, doctors, accountants, students, people from all over the world with different professions using the same system and using it to start a real online business and start generating unbelievable amounts of results. So with that being said, if you want to replace your income, if you want to create passive income, if you want to start an online business using internet, click on the link below to get started and secure your application kit. I cannot wait for you to become my next success story, so make sure to click on the link below to get started, and I'll see you in the next video.